Guys, welcome back to the channel and another Rush001 video. So in today's video I'll try an impossible Crosswind Landing challenge. Can you read this? Wind speed seaware 36 knots. Thunderstorms, heavy rain, visibility 4.8 kilometers. Wind 008, heading at 80 knots, temperature 15 degrees. That's not important. Okay, now let's try to. By the way, I bought a new monitor. Yeah. And guys, comment if it's actually cool, if the new monitor is actually cool. So let's go on with our Crosswind Landing challenge. Okay, now I'm with the Boeing 747. You can't sadly see the runway, but I can. So okay, I'm trying to line up for it. Oh wait, actually I just wanna set the camera. Okay, now I think you see the runway. Okay, let's go. I'm too fast actually right now. I'm opening speed brake, so you know that crosswind is deadly. Like imagine this crosswind. Okay, we're too low. We're too fast. We're so fast. I think. Oh, no.
Don't sink.
Oh, my back. It got cracked. Oh wait, let's try it again. No, that's so bad. That's so bad. Oh, I want 60. Okay, 500. Set that here. Okay, let's try it again. Actually, let's see if I'll succeed. Oh, what the? No way. Why? I didn't set the altitude. What the? My altitude was 500, by the way, and my speed was 180. Why it didn't work out? Let's see that. Okay, I see the runway actually. From here.
Don't sink.
Okay, that's true. Let's go a bit left. So okay, I just cut the throttle. I don't see the runway. Okay, I see it. The way, where are you running? Okay, let me
Low flaps.
too low flaps. Oh holy! Oh, we were almost stalling. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Too low. What the hell? How dare I forgot the flaps? Well, that you gotta be joking, right? How I forgot the flaps? No, that's impossible. Oh my god, that's my best crosswind landing.
Don't sink.
Let's. Ew, wait. Ew. Oh, we did just. We did it well. Did we touch down? Oh, we didn't. Oh, this landing this time was spine cracking again. I want to try it again. That's not my best crosswind landing. Actually, there's no best crosswind landing. I didn't actually did it. So yeah, let's set this altitude. Yeah, 500 is okay. Let's try that again actually. So we gotta go to the right, to the left side, because the crosswind is from left to right. So if we fake, we have actually flaps fall. Wow, the tower literally actually hit. Imagine that's the crosswind point of view. That's a bit scary.
Don't sink.
We didn't got to the left side of the thingy of the airport. Lol. Okay, damn it. Let's get to the left side now. Okay, let's just a bit turn. Let's turn just a bit.
Don't sink.
Sadly I don't have a co-pilot.
Don't sink.
Let's try that ourselves manually without co-pilots.
Don't sink.
Yes, okay. I think this time I land good.
Don't sink.
But that crosswind too. emergency brake setting, maximum
Don't sink.
brake. Okay, the speed is unstable now.
Don't sink.
Uh,
Don't sink.
what about landing too early or landing too late? Wait, okay, we're good. No. But we're going to land so hard now, I think.
Don't sink.
Wait,
Don't
wait,
sink.
okay, good. Nice, soft. Okay, we've stopped. Oh my god, the crosswind landing. Oh my god. Look at the speedometer. Look at this speedometer. It actually shows the speed of the yeah. This gotta be shown the instant replay. Let's see the instant replay actually. So yeah, that's the impossible crosswind landing challenge. Yeah, actually, oh my goodness. Look at this, how the plane is right angled. Oh my god.
Don't.
Yeah, I think we've landed pretty good for yeah. The wind won't let us get down actually. So yeah, that's the Boeing 747 Crosswind Challenge. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day and bye.